welcome back to Jack T. Mitchinson, and for a 2-year special, solving 6 Rubik's Cubes, as I hope you have seen them all by now. So, we're going to begin in approximately 15 seconds from now. So I'm starting off by inspecting Rubik's brand, Rubik's Cube. Blue cross. Yeah, blue cross. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice and quick cross for Rubik's branding. So, in the middle of this one, we have some okay pairs, but then it is a Rubik's brand, so everything that's okay is normally what has been bad. So, yeah. I am timing each solve individually, actually. Unless this is a really embarrassing slow time. And I just made a big error, so I'll just do it individual first so that you can see how much an error costs from the Rubik's brand. So yeah, onto my OLAO. Slightly and seaful. I've in fact forgotten some algorithms, I believe, but still not any slow at solving. There's the first one. White, green, red, orange, blue and yellow. So I hope you've seen every single side. So now I'll put that to the side and move on to this cube. Ooh, that's a red cross, so I'll do. So 3, 2, 1, go. With 6 smooth cross into over pair. So this is about the risk you've left to have. Sounds just bad because, well, it's Rubik's. It's Rubik's. Spelled Rubik, pronounced Rubik's. Pair. So I've not inspected any of the cube. No clue that any of this was coming. Yeah, so I hope you're having a good Easter / had a good Easter if you're watching this in, I don't know, good Easter time. So each Easter time we will have a different video for the yearly special, and the yearly specials will go on as long as this channel goes on, simply. So this might be the end of the yearly special because there might only be, because my channel might get terminated this year, unfortunately, or before next Easter. I don't think it'll get terminated though. Coming to an end on the second Rubik's Cube. So yeah, green, white, blue, red, yellow and orange should be all solved. That goes to the side. Now I've got a different Rubik's brand, but it's a slightly better one. No, I'll just do white. Or I'll just do white. Eight move cross, that's absolutely fine. I don't do 3 moves. I did write a 7-move course in a block. Beautiful. And just pick that pair up. Move that along. I'll twist that around a bit. Put it in front and do the insertion. I'll get them together. I'll do 2 sexies and I'll do the edge orientation. I still have to do 2 Alex because I don't know the case that I got. G or R pin. I don't know my P&L, so. Yes, I do have family in this house as well, in case you hear that shh next Rubik's Cube. Yeah, you can see that's been solved. Just doing blues, that's the first thing I want him to do. Like. No, okay. First pair done. This isn't actually much better. It's quite easy to hold. That's probably what made me do it so late into the video. Because by the bit, so this is quite a weird cube. Sorry that I do much of it, but just humans. We mutter, you mutter, everyone mutters a bit. Unless you just don't have a mouth, sadly. Then, if you didn't have a mouth, how would you talk? So exactly. Yeah, and this is not a nursing channel. I wish I knew that. It was just for sexies. No, it wasn't sexies. I don't know that case, but at least I know that case. Itchy head. You could consider H, but it's not nice to. Going into the last 2 cubes now. I'll not check them, I'll show you them quite slowly at the end. Developing interest. Awesome. I've got some facts. Yes, this is actually music playing. But it's about the only music we can't get copyright for. It is just musicians resting. And did you just see what I done with my eyes? It was not a blink, but it turning being a blub into an I. I mean, sorry, a W. That'll tell you what it is. If you're good at decoding, that is. So next cube done. Now time for a quick 50-second GAN cube. Gone even, sorry. People. Nice and easy cross. So nice and easy. The tin. Oops. Although just leave a bunch of lefty sexies. More lefty sexies. At least I can remember that case like. Ooh, lefty T. You two. So I've done all of those in 9 minutes 13 seconds, .92. I'll just detach that so that you can see. Yeah, that says 9 minutes 13 seconds point 92, as you should be able to see unless you have a very blurry screen. I hope you don't have a blurry screen. So, to recap, the cubes I've solved are this Rubik's brand, which I will quickly show again. Green, blue, white, yellow, orange and red. So we can take that off this. Now I'll just do the tube that's right in front of me. Look, so you can already tick off 3 sides. And you can tick off the other 3 sides, I hope. You've definitely seen all 6. Yeah. You can actually tick that one off the list. And that one. And that one. And then hopefully you can tick off this other Rubik's brand. You can hopefully tick them all off the list now. And anyways, bye for now, and hope you have peace for at least the rest of the Easter holidays. Bye.